It is too damn cold to be standing outside, so I'm being lazy. I'm shooting from inside the car, but this is where our live hit is. City Hall, we're talking about animal control. The city is attempting to take animal control services away from KC Pet Project. Yeah, there's our live location. And there's where we usually go live from, and they have taken it over, taken all the parking away on that side of the street and given it up to a bike lane, which I'm not against, but I don't know, do they have to take all the parking away? And there's City Hall across the street. Cawfee.
What are you doing?
We got new garage doors today. Hopefully that'll fix our pipe freezing problem.